Drawing lips doesn't have to be complicated. Most tutorials make it harder than it actually has to be, when really you can just do it in 3 easy steps. I'll show you how to nail drawing all lip types from two-tone to rosy ones, using only the basics that you actually need.
Every time I'm in the street, I hear.
For this particular style, you'll be needing a certain pen settings. Instead of giving you a QR code, I'll be teaching you a few stuff about how to adjust pens in Ibispaintx. You can control the thickness of the start and end of the pen. The lower the thickness, the smaller and sharper the pen is. In this tutorial, the pen thickness, both start and end, should both be at 200%. The thicker corners will represent the corners of the mouth. After adjusting the pen settings, you might see that the pen looks a little peculiar, so you have to adjust some settings in the stabilizer section. After increasing both lengths on force fade, you'll see that it's a lot more smoother and curved. If you didn't catch it, here's the difference when it's on and when it's off. Now that I've shown you how to adjust the pen settings, let's get started. For the outline of the mouth, you'll want to pick the same colored outline for your skin. When drawing the mouth, try to make it curved and smooth rather than something that's angular and sharp. After you've drawn the outline of the mouth, create a new layer and put it beneath the line. The brush you'll be using will be pen fade or any other soft brush. We're going to first draw the top lip, which is normally darker than the bottom lip. At the very least, this is the case for two-toned lips. For more lighter skin, you can just create a shade that is slightly rosier or more neutral to your skin color. When drawing the lips, please ensure that it moves in the same direction of the outline. To make sure that this happens, you can just move the middle of the top lip to align with the middle of the outline. Now we're going to be drawing the bottom lip, which is normally rosier when it comes to two-tone skin. For lighter skin, the color will be the same color as your top lip or slightly lighter. And that's an example on how you can draw simple two-toned lips. The same applies to whatever mouth shape that you're creating, with teeth or without. Now I'm going to be showing you a grayscale example of different shapes. This is so you can better understand placement and coloring without non-grayscale grayscale colors. What is a non-grayscale color called? Hang on. Okay, you guys, so the opposite of grayscale is actually just color, not saturated. Okay, that was kind of stupid. Small tip, using liquify pen to manipulate the heaviness of the line art is just chef's kiss. Would 101% recommend doing it. Here we're just going to be creating the exact same example. You can just sit back and relax and watch it or follow along. I don't know. If you got this far, you will be 100% interested in my Glowwyangel, Glowwyverse, wonderful, amazing, out of this world Discord server. We have so much fun there, I promise. Please join. Thank you. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any suggestions, don't forget to comment and I'll do my best to get to you. Love you guys. Bye.